Hi guys, welcome back again to another video. And you guys, in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys how I always make my green juice at home with just 500 naira. So this is like a challenge. If you have any juice you always make at home, or if you have any juice you can make with 500 naira that is going to come out so nice, you can as well make a video on that and as well tag me, because I need more recipes, So this is how I make my own green juice with just 500 naira. And if you intend on going on body cleansing, then you can consider doing this and just stock it up in your fridge for 3 days so you can use it to clean your system in preparation for the coming Christmas food. So this is Vlogmas Day 4.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?